Did you know that with Playwright you can run the same automation script on Chromium, Firefox and WebKit without rewriting your test? In this video, I will show you how to create your first Playwright JavaScript and run it across all three. At the end of this video, you will able to run the same test on 3 browsers with just few line of code. So let's start our demo. So I have taken one first live demo class and I have created Playwright class. I have taken Playwright class and then declare the object Playwright and then equal to Playwright dot create, and then I have taken a browser object, browser class, and then declare the object and initialize equal to Playwright dot Chromium dot launch, then new browser type dot launch option dot set headless equal to false. Set headless means we want to see what we are doing. It should be display in the Chrome itself, so we are putting as a false. Again, I have created one page class object and initialize browser dot new page and then page dot navigate method, and in which I have taken the website source demo.com, and then I have taken to fill method page dot fill, and I have pass out username and password and then click on login button. So in source demo website, it's already written there what's the user id and password we can take. It's available on login page, and I have go to the website and inspect the username, and I have taken the id there for username, and for password also I have taken id, and for login button also. And in the code itself I have used css locator. For id we have to use hash, and then I have to put down the id like user underscore name, and then value I am passing there a standard underscore use password, so hash, then I have put password comma and then secret source, and then page dot click and hash login underscore application. And when I run, it's run on the Chromium browser, and the browser open, and on the website open, then it's enter username and password automatically, and then click on login button and the next page open. So in and then I have changed the first line, second line, sorry, browser equal to playwright dot firefox. Then nothing I have to change, and then rerun that application, and the same website open on the firefox, and again enter user name and password that I have input here, and click on login button and next page open. And then I have changed the second browser. We have to change Firefox to WebKit, and then rerun this application, and the same step again happen. Source demo website open, and then username is entered as a standard user, and the password is source underscore demo, and then click on login button, next page open. So that's the way how this playwright work. We have changed only the browser only, and the whole thing is work. Nothing else I have to change. So you have just created the playwright script with 3 browsers. So if you enjoy this playwright series, so please subscribe our channel. See and you there. In the next video we will explore playwright locators.